Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another BAM box unboxing video for you guys today. This actually arrived at my house like maybe 20-30 minutes ago, so I decided I'm going to unbox it and show you guys everything that I got inside. I'm really stoked for this box. You know what? I already opened it. Of course, you know what? I never want to wait. I already wait long enough, and you know, if you've not seen my first BAM box video, I will have it right here as a card on the screen, so you guys can go and check out that video if you want to after this video. So, here we go. In the box is they always put their little cool BAM box paper, which I do keep for scrapbooking. Have a little cheat sheet which I will be using. So this is the Volume 5 box number 8. I also noticed that we did not get a scratch it this month, but that's okay. I got one last month and lost, so. The first thing that I got in the box is a fan art pin, which they usually always give us a pin, but this one is sick. Like, I'm actually happy that I got this one. I know there was a couple different ones that people can receive. Werewolf. Like, look how sick that is. Next thing, it looks like this. It's actually a pair of lips, and it has a little skull on it. It's like magnetic, so you can take it off, and it just like looks like lips. And then you can put like this little skull dude back on it. And then at the back of it, there's lips. And I thought it matched because I got lips. This is just so awesome. I felt like this was definitely meant to be. Man, I'm pretty stoked about this. These pair of lips is actually from a 1988 cult classic, The Kiss. I'm gonna have to check that movie out. But I'm gonna open this to show you guys it like a lot better, because this is so sick. Like, there's the little lips. Next thing I got is this. Now, I actually already got one of these before, but I actually had the Ash one. This is from the Evil Dead, but this is the girl. Ash went in my scrapbook, so he's just chilling in there. Next thing I got is a autograph. It's a celebrity autograph. This is actually from the movie The American Werewolf, which I was obsessed with that movie growing up. I remember like watching it all the time, and I'm so happy I got this one because I know people can receive different ones, I think, from what the cheat sheet is showing here. So I'm really happy that I got the Beast himself. It's a pretty sick picture, and there's an autograph right there. And then the last thing actually scares me. It's gonna give me nightmares, so this is definitely not going in my room. She's scary. Like, look at this thing. Like, creepy this chick is. Like, her long fingers, and like, she looks like something off The Grudge, or like Nemo, you know, that thing that was like taunting children not too long ago? That Nemo chick. So that is everything that I received in this BAM box. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and I look forward to doing more of these BAM boxes because I enjoy them. Guys, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.